Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to try making the most trending thing on internet right now, and that is Dalgona Coffee. I'm so excited and curious to know how it turns out to be. So let's get started. So let's take instant coffee powder right now. I've taken Robert Harris and put equal amount of coffee powder and then sugar. One more packet. Yeah, that's enough. And some hot water, equal proportion of all the three ingredients, and let's start whisking it. So I've been whisking this for almost about 5 minutes, and now it's reached the correct consistency and it looks a little fluffy and it's creamy enough. And for all those of you who have hand blender at home, it's a blessing, because whisking this for almost 5 minutes, it's a tough task. So now I'd like to share some information that I learnt about after doing some research on Dalgona Coffee. It seems that one South Korean actor, when he had been to an eatery in Macau, had been served with a similar kind of beverage. Okay, and that reminded him of a honeycomb toffee which was available in South Korea. And then later he presented the same recipe on a television show in South Korea. Okay, and named it as Dalgona Coffee. So basically the name of this coffee was the name of a toffee. Okay, and then it was uploaded on TikTok, and that's when it went viral. Okay, but the fun part is that it was originated in India, in Rajasthan, and they called it as fati hui coffee or even whipped coffee. Okay, so that's about it. So now let's get back to our coffee. In a glass tumbler, just take few ice cubes, either 2 or 3. I'm just putting 2 ice cubes and pour some milk now. And you can serve this beverage with either hot or cold as per your wish. Just to make it more delicious and chocolatey, I have decided to add a layer of Milo powder on this. So let me add this a little more. Yep. So now finally it's the time for us to add this fluffy, creamy layer of froth that we prepared. Just make a layer on that. Yeah, a little bit more. That's nice. Yeah, that's good. And little more of Milo powder on that. I really like the flavor of chocolate and coffee together. I enjoy it really. So whoever likes it more, you can add a little more of Milo powder, or even if you have Bonvita, you can add that as well. I also have this almond chocolate, so I'm going to drop it right in the middle. Yeah. So this is our Dalgona Coffee. I think it looks great, doesn't it? Hope you guys found this video a little informative and enjoyed it. Do try this at home and enjoy this coffee with a twist of Milo.